Introduce highlight features or overview summary for NYEONHRT 8.0Ah 1100PSI Cordless Pressure Washer Portable with 2 long-lasting battery. You can find wanted here. Shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs, filter by specification, type, brand and more. Highlight features or overview summary are include: Portable Cordless Pressure Washer. This versatile, portable cordless washer delivers high-pressure power to effortlessly clean your car and home, all without the hassle of finding an outlet. With its 8.0 amp-hour battery, this washer provides up to 60 minutes of uninterrupted cleaning, making it perfect for outdoor car washing and other household chores. 2 safe 4.0 amp-hour large-capacity battery. This pressure washer has 2 4.0 amp-hour 21-volt battery for up to 60 minutes of continuous use. It has a power display and charges fully in just 6 hours. The lithium battery meets UN 383 NUL standards and comes with an MSDS report for safety. High water pressure and flow rate. This cordless pressure washer boasts an impressive 1100 psi and 3.0 GPM, ensuring a powerful cleaning performance. The brand new pure copper brushless motor with 300 watt power provides a reliable and efficient operation. With 3 pressure settings, you can adjust the intensity to suit various cleaning tasks. Versatile spray modes. The 6-in-1 nozzle offers a range of spray patterns to tackle different cleaning jobs. Additionally, the upgraded foam cannon allows for more efficient use of cleaning solutions, making it easier to tackle stubborn dirt and grime. Upgraded hose and fittings. This cordless pressure washer comes with a 5-meter fiber-reinforced hose that is thicker and more durable, ensuring no leaks and a longer lifespan. The upgraded quick hose connector make assembly simple and ensure that the connections are secure and long-lasting. Multiple wireless water supply options. You can connect this cordless pressure washer to various water sources such as a faucet, bucket, pool, soda bottle, pond, and more, making it incredibly versatile and convenient for different cleaning scenarios. Wide range of applications. This cordless pressure washer is suitable for a multitude of tasks including car washing, yacht cleaning, floor and wall washing, garden cleaning, flower watering, crop irrigation, outdoor trash can cleaning, and pet bathing. Its versatility makes it an essential tool for any household or commercial cleaning need. If you want to get full features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe, recommend new products releases, update all day YouTube channel, to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.